Hi everyone. Today let's talk about Google reviews. And about adding Google reviews in your WordPress website inside Elementor Page Builder. As we all know, a good review system or testimony is very important part of our business. It builds up trustworthiness of our website, our business. So in every website, in every business website, there will be always reviews or testimonials. So as we can see, we design WordPress website with Elementor Page Builder, there is lots of widgets about testimonials. So that's the significance of testimonials. Among all testimonials, when we design testimonials with Elementor widget, we just insert whatever we want. To be honest, almost most of the testimonials we insert in our WordPress website when we design with Elementor or other page builders. Most of all are fictional testimonials or requested testimonial from our circles, colleagues and friends. So that's not pure or true testimonial or true reviews. So most of us, it's open secret, so it does not have much in building of trustworthiness. But Google reviews, I think this was one of the most open and one of the most trustworthy reviews. When we search a business in the Google and when we read the reviews here in the below, that's a little more trustworthy than the one we design here in the WordPress website with page builders, the testimonial widgets. So it is important to recognize the user's view. And let's get to the point. Let me show you how to integrate Google reviews in your Elementor design WordPress website. That's not complicated. Here let me introduce a plugin by trustindex.io. This one, widgets for Google reviews. Among all the free plugins about integrating Google reviews in WordPress website, I find this plugin is the best one among all free plugins, because the widgets provided by these plugins are more good looking and professional, and without any much customization, it can be integrated in our WordPress website inside Elementor Page Builder. So I think this is the best. As you can see, it has very good ratings. Out of 90 ratings, 85 voted for 5 stars and 2 voted for 4 stars. So this is a very good one. Here in the Trust Index, let me show you how to connect to your Google review page. First, you have to search your business in the Google, and just if you can find your business here, that means you can copy this search URL. Here, let's go back here, insert this Google search result URL and check it. Now they fetch the business entirety here, business page. We connect here. Let's connect it. It's quite easy. As you can see here, they have already preview, and they have already shown the preview how it looks in this widget here. It's a similar one, and Yeah, and template, you can see there is many types of templates. Yeah, this is another style slider. Yeah, here you can see horizontal templates, vertical templates, base template, pop-up. Yeah, lots of templates to choose from, lots of widget styles. Here, this is slider 3 with widget batch 2 like this. Yeah, it looks good, and you can also filter. You can only show 5-star or 4-star. Let's show only 5 stars like this. You can also only show 5 stars. Yeah, you can choose that format. You can choose background, light contrast, like this. And yeah, there are settings here. Hide review without comments. Yeah, hide rating text. So verified review icon, so navigation arrows, so reviews photo, enable animation. Okay, leave this by default. What you can do is you can what your settings you have to choose. Yeah, these 3 settings, 1, 2, 3. These settings are very important. Customization of your widget. Others leave the default settings. Here in the reviews, this plugin will fetch all your reviews from the Google reviews. You can even download the reviews. Yeah, so yeah, it is only the only the 10 reviews, but it's enough to build your trustworthiness, to display your testimonial widgets. Yeah, it is why we should use this widget, this plugin or Google reviews. It is for trustworthiness. And second, here first we design this widget. We have already customized, and you can copy this shortcut, and you can go to inside Elementor. Yeah, you can paste the shortcut that you have just copied. Yeah, and now you can apply it. Yeah, it's done like this. It's simple. It saves the time for designing a testimonial section, testimonial phase inside Elementor. Yeah, we can design it with, but it takes time to design a professional looking testimonial section, testimonial page. So this widget is good for building up trustworthiness, and yeah, it saves also time in the web design. Yeah, I hope this video is helpful to you, and I am sure that this video or this plugin will be very helpful to you, because yeah, in every business website a testimonial is a very important part. So I'm very sure that you will find this plugin very helpful.